Have you ever thought that the secret to stronger, healthier erections might not start in the bedroom, but right in your bathroom mirror? That's right. The very habits you use to protect your teeth and gums could be the missing key to restoring vitality, boosting circulation, and improving your confidence as you age. Most people never make this connection, but science now shows a powerful link between oral health and sexual performance. And once you understand it, the logic is undeniable. Welcome to the Healthy Body. Dr. Alex here. Today we're diving into how simple daily mouth care strategies, things you probably take for granted, can dramatically support better blood flow, reduce harmful inflammation, and yes, even improve erections. Before we get into the 5 proven strategies, let me pause for just a moment. If you want practical, science-backed health tips that help you age with strength, energy, and vitality, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it ensures you won't miss the tools we share every week that can change your health for the better. Alright, let's get started. Strategy 1. Brush twice a day, the foundation for more than a smile. When most people hear brush your teeth twice a day, they think about cavities, breath, or avoiding a lecture from their dentist. But here's the hidden truth. Brushing your teeth is also protecting your arteries, your circulation, and ultimately your erections. Why? Because of a sneaky enemy called periodontitis. This is a gum infection that starts innocently with bleeding gums, but can spiral into tooth loss and, more importantly, body-wide inflammation. In Germany, research shows that over 90% of young adults already have early signs of it. That means even if you're brushing, you might not be brushing effectively enough. The biggest culprit is a bacterium called Porphyromonas gingivalis. We'll call it PG for short. PG hides in the gums and creates chronic low-grade inflammation in the body. And here's where it matters. That inflammation damages your ability to produce nitric oxide, the very molecule your body needs to open blood vessels and create firm erections. Think of nitric oxide as the body's natural on switch for circulation. Without enough of it, the blood vessels in the pelvis can't expand properly, and performance suffers. So brushing is not just about a smile, it's about circulation. But here's the catch. Most people do it wrong. They scrub back and forth like they're scraping burnt food off a grill. Instead, dentists recommend a gentle circular motion, holding the brush at a 45-degree angle against the gum line. Take 2 full minutes, not the 30-second rush most of us do. And here's something almost nobody knows. There's one simple, often overlooked brushing move that can supercharge your oral care. I'll share that secret later in the video, so stick with me. Quick question for you. Be honest. How often do you really brush for a full 2 minutes? Let me know in the comments. Strategy 2. Flossing, the unsung hero. Brushing alone is like washing your hands but never cleaning under your nails. You're leaving behind dangerous bacteria where they love to hide, between the teeth. That's why flossing once a day is critical. Floss removes soft plaque before it hardens into tartar. And tartar is like cement. Once it sets, no toothbrush on earth can remove it. Only a dentist can. Why does that matter? Because tartar forces open little gaps between your gums and teeth, giving PG bacteria a perfect entry point into your bloodstream. And once PG enters the bloodstream, it doesn't just sit quietly. It travels to the heart, to the brain, even to the penis. In fact, studies have linked PG to heart arrhythmias like atrial fibrillation, and even to the brains of Alzheimer's patients. That's right. The same bacteria that start in your mouth can affect your memory, your heart health, and your sexual performance. So next time you're tempted to skip flossing, remember, it's not just about keeping your smile clean. It's about sealing the doors shut to dangerous bacteria that could undermine your vitality. Here's a quick engagement question. Do you floss daily, or is it something you often skip? Type daily, or skip in the comments. I'd love to see where most of us really stand. Strategy 3. Interdental brushes, precision tools for extra protection. Now let's take it one step further. Have you ever seen those tiny, cone-shaped brushes with soft bristles designed to slide between teeth? They're called interdental brushes, and they're a powerful add-on to brushing and flossing. Why? Because even floss can miss certain spots. Interdental brushes get into those tricky angles and scrub away plaque before it turns into stubborn tartar. And the real benefit? They significantly reduce PG bacteria, cutting down the inflammation that lowers nitric oxide production. Remember, no nitric oxide, no erection. Healthy bodies produce it naturally, but inflamed bodies don't. By using interdental brushes just a few times a week, you're not just cleaning teeth, you're protecting circulation and preserving sexual function. So think of it this way. Your toothbrush is like the broom, your floss is like the vacuum, and interdental brushes are the fine detail tools that make the whole room sparkle. Quick recap before we move forward. Brushing fights plaque and keeps gums strong. Flossing blocks bacteria from entering your bloodstream. Interdental brushes take cleaning to a professional level. See the pattern? Every step reduces inflammation, which means more nitric oxide, better blood flow, and stronger erections. Strategy 4. Probiotics, the mouth-body connection. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Did you know a simple probiotic lozenge can dramatically reduce harmful mouth bacteria? One of the most promising strains is called Lactobacillus reuteri. Unlike many probiotics that target gut health, this one works in the mouth itself. In a fascinating German Navy study, 72 sailors on a ship took these lozenges daily for 42 days. Why sailors? Because they were on long missions without access to dentists. The results were stunning. Gum bleeding dropped by 75%, plaque went down, and overall oral health improved. How? Reuteri essentially creates a healthier neighborhood in your mouth by crowding out PG and other harmful bacteria. Less PG means less inflammation and better nitric oxide levels. It's like planting flowers in a garden to push out weeds. The catch? You have to take them consistently. Stop, and the effect disappears. But for those already brushing and flossing, this could be the extra layer of defense your mouth and your body needs. Strategy 5. Professional cleanings, the non-negotiable step. Even with perfect home care, some tartar will always slip through. That's why professional dental cleanings are essential. At least once, ideally twice a year. Think of it like maintaining your car. You might wash and vacuum it weekly, but eventually you need a mechanic to handle the parts you can't reach. Your mouth is no different. Regular cleanings remove deep tartar, spot early gum issues, and keep your oral health strong. And remember, better oral health doesn't just mean saving teeth. It means reducing inflammation throughout the body, and that translates directly into better circulation and stronger sexual health. So don't skip those checkups. They are one of the best investments you can make for your overall vitality. The bonus secret: don't forget your tongue. Now, I promised a hidden trick earlier. Here it is. The tongue is one of the biggest bacterial playgrounds in the mouth. Every sip of coffee, every meal, every snack leaves residue there. If you've ever looked at your tongue after eating blueberries, you know exactly what I mean. That's why brushing or scraping your tongue daily can dramatically improve oral health, reduce bacteria, and give you fresher breath. It's a small habit with big benefits, including supporting better erections by keeping inflammation down. Let's quickly pull everything together. 1. Brush twice daily, and do it right. 2. Floss every day to block dangerous bacteria. 3. Use interdental brushes for deeper cleaning. 4. Add probiotics like Lactobacillus reuteri for extra defense. 5. See your dentist regularly for professional cleanings. 6. And don't forget your tongue. Simple steps, powerful results. These strategies don't just protect your smile. They protect your heart, your brain, your circulation, and yes, your erections. So the next time you pick up your toothbrush, remember, you're not just caring for your teeth. You're caring for your entire body. If you found this video helpful, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our upcoming topics on boosting vitality, energy, and healthy aging. And if you've already subscribed, thank you. You're part of a growing community that's serious about living stronger, longer, and healthier. And if you'd like a natural next step, I recommend watching our next video on the 3 essential vitamins men over 60 need for energy, hormone balance, and better performance. You'll find it linked right here. Until next time, take care of your mouth, and your body will thank you.